So, hello guys! For today's video, I'll discuss the requirements to be complied by a ship under MARPOL Annex 5. First, what is MARPOL Annex 5? MARPOL Annex 5, or Regulations for Preventing Garbage Pollution from Ships. MARPOL Annex 5 establishes the regulations aimed at preventing pollution of the marine environment by garbage generated from ships. The requirements are extensive and cover various types of waste, includes plastics, food waste, cargo residues, and operational waste. So, these are the key requirements. The key requirements are the general prohibition on discharge of garbage, a complete ban of plastics, discharging of all form of plastics in the sea to the sea is strictly prohibited. Garbage includes food waste, domestic waste, operational waste, cargo residues, incinerator ashes, cooking oil, fishing gear, and animal carcasses that is generated during normal ship operations. So, guys, there is criteria in discharging. So, when it's comminuted or ground, the discharge is allowed only when the ship is at least 3 nautical miles from the nearest land. And when it is not comminuted, the discharge is only allowed when the ship is at least 12 nautical miles from the nearest land. So, when it comes to cargo residues, the discharge is allowed outside special areas only if the residues are not harmful to the marine environment, or HME. And within special areas, cargo residues can only be discharged under specific conditions, including the absence of harmful to the marine environment, or HME, in the wash water. So, there are special areas. The special areas are certain regions such as Mediterranean Sea, Baltic Sea, and North Seas. These special areas have stricter controls due to their sensitivity to the pollution. So in these areas, more stringent discharge regulations apply, and the discharge of food waste must meet specific distance requirements. The garbage management plan is when ship of 100 gross tonnage and above must develop a garbage management plan that outlines procedure for minimizing, collecting, storing, processing, and disposing of garbage. This plan must designate responsible personnel and be written in the working language of the crew. So, there are also garbage record book. The garbage record book is required when the ship is 400 gross tonnage and above. This book must document all the garbage discharges, including the date, time, position of the ship, and the estimated amount of garbage discharged or incinerated in cubic meter. So, it must be kept on board for a minimum of 2 years. So, by adhering to these regulations, ship operators demonstrate their commitment to sustainable practices and contribute to the prevention of marine ecosystem. So, that is the requirements to be complied by a ship under MARPOL Annex 5. And I hope that you learned something about my discussion. Thank you.